I've tested many vlogging cameras to find the best ones. A good vlogging camera needs to be compact and have excellent photo and video quality and reliable autofocus. I also found some other important features while testing these cameras. I've narrowed it down to a few perfect cameras for both serious and casual shooters, considering different shooting styles and subject matter. The first camera on this list is the Canon R50. It has a small, compact body and delivers phenomenal video quality. The camera's simple button and menu layout make it easy to start shooting right away. It also has a touch-sensitive screen and can be controlled entirely through the touchscreen. You can also connect it to your smartphone to transfer photos and videos instantly, control the camera remotely, and use your smartphone as a live view. The internal microphones provide decent audio for vlogs, and there's an input for an external microphone. The lens that comes with the R50 is perfect for vlogging, offering a wide shot and a zoom shot in one lens. Inside the Canon R50, you have the usual 24mm APS-C size sensor found in most Canon cameras. However, it comes with a new processor that enables you to achieve higher quality from the sensor. It can shoot 4K video at 24 and 30 frames per second, but the 4K video is actually downsampled from the full 6K 24-megapixel sensor area, meaning your 4K video truly has the level of detail and clarity equivalent to 6K. This makes the R50 stand out in comparison to regular 4K cameras. Additionally, the R50 features built-in digital stabilization for smooth handheld footage, which is essential for vloggers. Moreover, it incorporates the classic Canon colors that provide a true-to-life yet warm look to your video footage, especially enhancing skin tones. For those who want to ensure they look good on camera, Canon is the ideal choice. The slow motion function can create incredibly impressive footage for vlogs. The R50 can record in full HD at 60 frames per second for 2x slow motion and at 120 frames per second for 5x slow motion. Slow motion is an essential tool that every vlogger should utilize. Vlogging in challenging lighting conditions can be difficult. The R50 is equipped with an HDR mode that enhances dynamic range while offering a flatter look, allowing for color and light adjustments during post-processing to achieve the perfect vlog video. Additionally, it supports 10-bit color, providing more flexibility in color manipulation compared to older 8-bit cameras. The new processor enables extremely fast and reliable autofocus with subject detection for animals, cars, and people, making it one of the best vlogging cameras due to its superior autofocus system. After all, if it's not in focus, it won't be in the vlog, so having the best possible autofocus is crucial. The R50 can capture photos at 12 or 15 frames per second, up to 42 JPEGs in a row, but only 7 raw photos. This is particularly useful for capturing YouTube video thumbnails or casual lifestyle shots for your vlog while recording. Overall, the R50 excels as a vlogging camera, offering excellent photo and video quality, advanced autofocus, compact size, outstanding color reproduction, and everything needed for a fantastic vlogging experience with impressive results. Personally, I prefer a compact vlogging camera for this reason. The second camera is the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, which conveniently fits in my pocket. I personally own and regularly use the ZV-1, and it offers remarkable features that every vlogger should explore. One of the highlights of the ZV-1 Mark II is that it incorporates everything I need right into the camera. It comes with a built-in 18 to 50mm lens, providing both a wide shot at 18mm and a close-up portrait or zoom shot at 50mm. The f-stop of f1.8 on the 18mm side makes it a fantastic low-light camera, creating a beautiful blurry background effect for a more cinematic look in vlogs. Moreover, there is a dedicated one-click button on the camera's top to add more background blur to your images. Later in the video, I'll discuss a really cool feature on the ZV-1 that enhances the cinematic feel of your vlogs. The button layout on the ZV-1 is straightforward, with just one button to switch between photo, video, and slow motion. The menus are easy to navigate, and you can even set up a custom menu to have all your options on one page. The ZV-1 Mark II also features a side-articulating touch-sensitive screen, allowing you to control the camera using the screen at the back. Additionally, it offers touch autofocus and the option to connect directly to your phone for instant image transfer. While the Sony app experience isn't as seamless as the Canon app, the ZV-1 Mark II boasts exceptional internal audio due to the 3-capsule microphone that eliminates background noise for crisp audio. You also have the option to use an external microphone with the camera. The ZV-1 Mark II houses a 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor, which, although smaller than the Canon R50, provides comparable quality for vlogging. In terms of video, it records in 4K at 24 and 30 frames per second and offers excellent digital stabilization for smooth handheld footage. My favorite feature, the cinematic vlog mode, enhances the color look and adds black bars to give a cinematic feel to your videos. It's possible to fine-tune the color look to achieve the desired visual aesthetic for your vlog. The camera also includes S-Log and cinema profiles for creating unique color looks, as well as slow-motion video capabilities. The autofocus on the ZV-1 Mark II is exceptional, ensuring that the camera maintains focus, particularly on faces and subjects. It also includes a subject detect mode for people, animal faces, and possibly even insects. Additionally, the camera captures superb photos at 24 frames per second and can shoot up to 800 JPEGs in a row. Overall, the ZV-1 Mark II excels as a compact vlogging camera with a high-quality lens, built-in audio, and cinematic vlog mode, making it the ultimate all-in-one option for content creators. If you're looking for the best value vlogging camera, I highly recommend the Nikon Z30. It's an incredible vlogging camera with an amazing price. What I love most about the Nikon Z30 is its design and ergonomics. It feels sturdy and substantial in your hands, resembling a traditional Nikon photo camera. The button layout is familiar to those who are used to Nikon's photo cameras, which is a big plus. The side articulating touchscreen allows for easy touch controls and autofocus, and you can also connect the Z30 to your phone. The audio quality on the Nikon Z30 is excellent. I vlogged with this camera on busy New York streets with lots of traffic noise, and the audio came out perfectly fine. It also has an input for an external microphone. The kit lens that comes with the camera is surprisingly good. It's sharp, crisp, and has a versatile 16 to 50 mm focal length, providing wide-angle and 50 mm zoom shots. I also recommend getting the Nikon Creator Kit, which includes a vlog handle with a Bluetooth remote and a microphone at a great price. The Nikon Z30 features a 20-megapixel APS-C size sensor, similar to the Canon R50 but with slightly lower resolution, making it better in low-light conditions. It performs exceptionally well in low light, producing clean and crisp results. In terms of video, it shoots 4K at 24 and 30 frames per second with outstanding quality. The video stabilization is top-notch, delivering smooth shots while walking and vlogging. It also captures full HD at 60 frames per second and 120 frames per second for cool slow-motion effects. Though it doesn't have a cinematic vlog mode, the Nikon colors are vibrant and punchy, and people look especially good in them. Additionally, it has a flat profile for further color adjustments. The autofocus is great for vlogging, scoring a perfect 10 out of 10 in my opinion. However, it can feel a bit slow compared to Canon or Sony cameras known for their industry-leading autofocus. I recommend setting the autofocus sensitivity to the maximum when using the Nikon Z30. In photo mode, it shoots 11 frames per second and serves as a fantastic lifestyle camera overall. All in all, the Nikon Z30 is an exceptional vlogging camera that is actually cheaper than its competition by several $100s. It's truly the best deal for a vlogging camera, especially when purchased with the Nikon Creator Kit. For the best possible pricing on the Z30 or any other cameras on this list, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Catch you in the next video.